English together.
How's it going?
Hey, Jamie. How's it going?
Hi, Alex. I'm fine. Thank you. How about you?
I'm pretty good. Thank you. Are your classes interesting this semester?
Yes, they are. I have English and math. I like English class.
That's great. What do you do in English class?
We read stories and practice speaking. It is fun.
That sounds nice. I have science and history. Science is my favorite.
Really? What do you learn in science?
We learn about animals and plants. Last week, we watched a video about space.
Wow! Space is cool. Do you want to be a scientist?
Maybe. What about you? What do you want to be?
I want to be a teacher. I like to help people learn.
That is a good job. Teachers are important.
Yes, they are. Do you have any homework today?
Yes, I have math homework. It is not too hard.
Good. I have some reading to do.
Let's help each other after school.
Yes, that's a good idea. See you later.
Before we continue, I have a quick question for you all.
Yeah, what is it?
Here's the question. What is my favorite subject? Art, math, or science?
Choose the correct answer and let us know in the comments.
Job interview. Hello. Sit down, please.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I am fine. Thank you. Why do you want this job?
I want this job because I like working with people.
That's great. What have you done before?
I worked in a shop. I helped customers.
Good experience. What are your skills?
I am friendly and I can speak English and Spanish.
Very nice. Can you work on weekends?
Yes, I can work on weekends.
Perfect. Do you have any questions?
Yes, what are my duties?
You will help customers, take payments, and keep the store clean.
I can do that.
Good. When can you start?
I can start next Monday.
Excellent. Thank you, Anna. We will call you soon.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hey, everyone! Before we continue, please remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We've put a lot of effort into making this for you. Thank you so much for your support.
Asking for a date.
Can I ask you a question? Of course.
Would you like to go on a date with me this Friday?
Seriously?
Well, I figured that we could go to see a movie and get some dinner.
Cool. That sounds like it will be fun.
Great. What movie do you want to see?
I really want to see the new action movie.
Perfect. I like action movies too. What time should we meet?
How about 6 p.m.?
That works for me. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the cinema.
Good idea. Do you want to eat before or after the movie?
Let's eat after the movie. I can't wait to see the film first.
Sounds good. I know a nice restaurant near the cinema.
Great! I'm excited for Friday.
Me too. I think we will have a lot of fun.
Yes, I hope so.
A chat at the gym.
Do you usually come to the gym in the morning?
Yes, I do. I like to exercise in the morning. It makes me feel good.
That's nice. What time do you usually come?
I come in the morning. What about you?
I usually come in the evening. I have work in the morning.
Oh, I see. What do you like to do at the gym?
I like to lift weights and run on the treadmill. How about you?
I like to do yoga and ride the bicycle. It's fun.
Yoga is great. I want to try it sometime.
You should. It is relaxing. And that's all for today. Remember, repetition is the key to improving your English. So watch this video again after a few days to help you practice.
Did you enjoy the video? If you did, please give us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.